thought we'd do a quick video on this E63 estate, which is quite a rare car. They were rare enough in a saloon, let alone an estate. Really common job on 211s in general was the front lower ball joints. So we're going to do one on this. Show you what's involved, a couple of special tools, get it on the ramp. So this is the ball joint that's got play in it. I don't think you can really...
Can't really see it, can you?
See it, but you might be able to hear it, but we can feel it anyway. We'll get a bit of a better demonstration when it's off, but that ball joint is pressed into the hub. We have got a replacement. We are using a length order joint, which is the same as original. The reason we're not using a genuine one is because they are currently on back order and not available. So that's the next best thing, but it's more than capable of the job. So that press is in there. So we'll show you what special tools we use to get the old one out and press the new one in.
Sam undoing the ball joint.
First thing we've got to do is get the nut off the top. Then we've got to separate the top arm from the joint. Then we can move the hub out and get the special tool in there. Right, so we've split the joint off the arm. You can see how much that moves. Shouldn't move that easily. Shouldn't move that with your finger. So if you try and move that, I actually can't move it. It's solid. So now I need to get that out, put the new one in. So that's the tool for removal. It's basically a massive G-clamp. That fits over the top of the joint to allow us to press it out, and then it's basically the same for installation but in reverse. So I'll set this up. See, that's gonna push it out from the bottom, and then the ball joint will come out inside there. So we've impacted it out. The reason being, it makes it a lot easier, but we will not be doing that, reinserting it. We'll wind it back in. So now, you can see, one joint. So we'll clean up the inside, prep the new joint, change our tooling for installation, and then you can see how I can move that. That is solid. Really common fault this, not just on AMGs, it's just the 211s in general. Been changing these for years and years. Right, wire wheel in the drill. If you just have a look inside there, if you can. Just see it's all dirty. It's just going to make the installation a lot easier. When I prepare a ball joint, I pull the boot down and I just put a little bit of rubber grease in the top, just because in the past I have seen cars that have been stud, the boot gets a grip of the joint, and when you turn the steering, it just rips your boot, and then you'd have to do the whole job again. So I always pull it down, just bit on the joint, and then it's just got to prolong the life of that boot a bit. Just rub a bit on the boot itself. just because some of these cars don't get driven all the time, so a little bit helps. Also, we're just going to put a little bit on the bottom of the joint, again just to help with easier installation, and should it ever need to come out again, it'll be a little bit easier. A lot of people say this is overkill, or you should or shouldn't do it, or whatever, but I've been fitting these for about 15 years. So we're going to pop that in position, and we'll get the tool set up. So installation is that one. Change that for that, which will sit underneath the joint. Forget the old one. So that now is going to sit on top of it and press it back in. The opposite to the removal. Gonna get the spark plug. I'm gonna put that on top of the joint first to get it over the rubber boot to make sure we're not damaging it. And then we'll put the tool on. Come on. There we go. Got to wind that up so it's nice and clean in there as well where we cleaned it. So I'm just going to tighten it up by hand and make sure that the tool's sat on it nice and square. We've not nicked the boot, and then we'll wind it in by hand. We don't gun it back in. All right, so start winding it in. There you go. And when it hits the bottom, you can just literally feel it stop. And then we'll just give it another couple to be safe.
See, it's that all nice and flush around the bottom.
And then for speed, we'll just undo it. Again, off. Now you can see that's pressed in nice and flush. Got a new nut to go on top. So now we've got to get that back in there. See how hard that is to twist compared to the old one. Oh, Jesus. It's heavy, this, by the way. What? Okay, that is one ball joint installed. All nice and new, looking fresh. Job done. Wheels going back on, low torque setting on the gun, which is about 80 Newton meters, and then the final torque with the torque wrench is 130. You can see he's going in a star shape, and then he'll go all the way back around. And that is 1 to 11 lower ball joint done. .211 E63 estate. What a nice rare car. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Job done.